Sometimes we might need to change the portion of the text in different color. For example, this is a Google Sheet, and for this cell, this part is only different color, like red color, or you can choose any color. So let's see how we can do in Google Sheet. So at first we need to choose the portion which we want to change the color. So for example, this cell we want to change the color to. So this is the question, what are the two parts of the US Congress? So we want to change the color to this word only. To do this thing, we can do different ways. We can either double click here, or we can directly go there, here, and then we can choose the text which we want to change the color. And then from once we select the text portion, then we need to come to this text color icon. We just need to click here, it will be expanded, and from here we have to choose the color we want to change. For example, I want to change it to red color, but you can choose some other color also, and also you can choose your own custom color. I'm going to choose red color, and then finally we have to hit enter key or return key of our keyboard, and you will see the changes are there. So this part of this text has been changed the color.